What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Repurposely, and we are in the second video of the blog tools playlist, and we are going over blog to YouTube Shorts. What's really cool about this is it allows you to take any idea and generate YouTube Short ideas. So it's easier for you to pump these out. Now, yeah, sure, you can go through current videos that you've made and chop those up with Opus Clip or something like that. But I also like to keep the creative juices flowing and just get new ideas. And we're gonna just stick with the pineapple recipe blog and see what we get here. And here we go. We have our 10 YouTube short ideas. And here, as you can see, is one quick pineapple cutting hack. Problem it solves: difficulty in cutting a pineapple efficiently. You got your hook and you have a description. Demonstrate a simple and fast method to cut a pineapple, showing each step clearly in under 60 seconds. Right? Another one is how to pick the perfect pineapple. Problem solved: choosing the right pineapple in store. This is cool. Show tips on selecting the right pineapple, including checking the color, smell, and firmness. So as you can see, these give you different ideas rather than just, looking at your video and going, oh yeah, you know what, I'm going to repurpose this into a YouTube short and repurpose this into a YouTube short. What this is really doing is giving you engaging YouTube short ideas that you can create, especially if you're in this particular space and you're going out shopping anyway. You might as well just record a video, talk about a couple of these things, and then chop that video up and use it for repurposing. I think it's a wonderful way to make sure that you don't run out of ideas and have stale content. And with YouTube Shorts being as popular as they are, I think that it's a good idea to incorporate this type of strategy into repurposing your content, especially if there are other people that aren't. And so this is just something that you can keep in mind. It's a wonderful tool. Use it if you want to. It's part of the premium package, and it's here for you if you need it. If you love videos like this, like and subscribe. And thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.